with another video. Today, we're gonna do an affordable no makeup look. First, what we're going to do is to, of course, protect our skin from the harmful chemicals out there. We are gonna put in a sunscreen on our face. So today, I'm using the Hello Glow Sunscreen Cream. This I got from the Hello Glow whitening set I bought at Everblen's stall in supermarket. So, just put in a little bit. Make sure that you put some of it on your neck. So, I let it dry for a minute or two just so that I can make sure na na-absorb niya yung product. I'm gonna put in a primer. So, I got this Touch in Sol Pore Blem Primer. No Pore Blem Primer. Okay, so I have a combination skin. So, I just got a little bit of it. And then you put it on your T-zone. And then you blend it well. You make sure that you blend the products in your skin gently. I include my eye bags and my eyes, just so I can prime it before I put on some makeup. Put a Velcro to take away my hair. So since today we're aiming for a no makeup look, we are going to use the Pond's Instra Bright Glow Up Cream in the shade Pink Crush. And then I'm going to mix it with a bit of Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. Since we're aiming for a no makeup look, I'll just get a bit of it at the back of my hand. So this little. And then I'll mix it with the Pond's Glow Up Cream para illuminating and glowy lang yung skin natin. So, I'll just mix it with my fingers. Okay. So, I'm used in applying foundation or creams using a damp sponge. So right now I'm gonna use this one, and then I usually just use water, but I don't have one here. So I'm gonna use this Lux Organics Rose Water Glow, and then just spray a bit, and then yan, na-mix na natin. So just put a little on your face, then sa mga areas that you need coverage. My big forehead. Okay, so yung sobrang konti, kukunin ko yan using the sponge, and then I'll mix it, or I'll put it sa neck ko. Okay, so sobrang konti lang nung foundation na inilagay ko. More on yung glow up cream, para dewy lang. And sobrang fresh lang tingnan yung skin. Kasi personally, ayoko nang parang greasy yung feeling ng skin. Gusto ko nakakahinga yung skin, and okay lang siya. Gusto ko yung masaya siya sa sarili niya. Believe me, before I suffered acne, I used to wear a lot of foundation on my face. But then, few years ago, I realized na lalo niyang na-emphasize yung acne mo and yung pangit na skin texture mo. Kaya, please do not put too much foundation on your face. Mag-spot on conceal na lang kayo. With the foundation, next would be a concealer. So, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This one is my favorite. I'm in the shade Sand Sable. So just a bit. We're gonna cover all my highlight points, but just a bit. So here, a bit here. Here. Kasi may mga itim-itim ako doon. Yung mga pula-pula. So, yan usually yung mga kino-cover ko. And then, my nose. And then, my under eye. Okay. So, now we're gonna blend it. So, make sure pag blend yung skin nyo, gently lang. Kasi promise, nagkakos ng pimples yung sobrang hard nyo sa skin nyo. Na-experience ko yan before. Ang ginagamit ko pa nun yung mga cake foundation, yung tinutubigan. So, nag-acne-acne talaga ako kasi yun parang grabe mo ilagay sa skin. Sorry, kung saan ako nakatingin kasi I have a lot of mirrors sa unahan ko, and then just using my phone, so I'm looking sa screen ng phone ko. So now, we're gonna blend our concealer. Do you do that? Yung nag-stretch ng mouth, hindi ko rin alam kung ba't ginagawa ng mga tao yun. Hindi ko siya maiwasan. Okay. Okay. Also, try to blend it sa taas ng eyes nyo. Para pantay. Pero wala namang masyadong coverage yan kasi hindi tayo nag-focus. Okay. We are now going to set the foundation with Detail Makeover Mineral Loose Powder. So, ito, I got this on sale. Mura lang tong mga to. Kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa mahal na makeup. Gusto ko talaga affordable lang. Kasi sayang minsan yung money. You just save it. Okay na yung may enough tayo. Pampa-beauty. Huwag lang sobra. So, we're gonna set it. So, una kong siniset yung mga hinighlight kong area. Then, I'll get a big amount. Kasi siset ko na yung buong face ko. Okay, don't forget your neck kasi kailangan pantayan. Pag di pantayan, weird tignan. So, set your forehead really well para pantay. And then yung side ng face mo. Kasi pag naiwan yan, uneven yung skin tone mo, hindi maganda tingnan. So, medyo chubby yung cheeks ko. A little of contouring. So, I'm going to use Happy Skin Feeling Sculptacular. So, I got this on sale. Original price is $12.99, I think. But I got this for $300 only sa SM department store. So, kung di kayo nag-aalat masyado ng budget sa makeup, make sure you wait for sale. Cause ako, ganun lang ako eh. Sulit na rin pag nakukuha mo on sale. So, just get a bit of it. And then, put a little. Okay. Ika-create ko lang ng konting shadow kasi no makeup look to. So, also malaki yung noo ko, so I put a bit of contour as well, and sobrang konti lang sa mga parts na kailangan ng shadow. And then yung excess ilalagay ko dito sa neck ko para may shadow din at pumayat-payat. It's unnecessary, but kung gusto niyo lang na magkaroon ng contour yung nose nyo, ako, finger lang yung ginagamit ko, and sobrang konti lang yung kinakuha ko. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konting-konti lang. Yan. yung hindi mahahalata na nag-contour ko ng sobrang konting shadow lang. Then you mix it together. Okay. Ako before, when I search for videos na no makeup look, may mga nakikita akong videos na no makeup look, kasi ang dami naman nilagay sa mukha. Then I realized na hindi naman talaga na dahil walang nilagay sa mukha or what. Yun lang yung gusto mong i-achieve na look, which is na parang walang kang nilagay. Pero sa totoo lang, nag-makeup ka rin, nagpaganda ka pa rin, pero mukhang wala. Yun yung ini-aim natin. So I hope you understand that. Kasi baka sabihin nyo, nag-contour ako, ganun. It's the look that we're aiming, pero it doesn't necessarily mean na hindi ka nag-makeup. Mukha kang hindi nag-makeup. So, yun yung ini-aim natin, yung fresh lang. So, now we're done. We'll proceed with the blush. So, the blush that I'm gonna use right now is also affordable. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Nude. So this one I got on sale again. Parang 200 na lang siya from 300, I think. But yung mga prices ng mga products na to, I put it on the description box kasi hindi na rin ako masyadong sure. So just put it sa cheeks mo. Make sure you smile para ma-hit mo yung cheekbone mo. So, I usually put it this way. Gaganyan ko muna. And then, spread ko siya palabas. Okay. And then I'll do the same thing sa kabila. Dapat natural lang yung look ng blush mo. So, don't put too much. Yung sakto lang na medyo pinawisan, ganun, medyo nainitan yung skin. So, I'll make sure na naglalagay din ako ng konting red dito sa part na to. And then, I spread it sa side ng nose para mag-connect din sa cheekbone. So, ayan siya. Nakikita niya, sobrang subtle lang nung blush. Sobrang subtle lang. Okay. So, next, medyo gusto kong buhayin yung eyes ko. So, we're gonna put a bit of an eyeshadow. So, we're gonna use the Detailed Egyptian Desert. This one. This is quite new. Nakuha ko rin to ng sale. Mura lang. Like, wala pa yatang 300. 200 something lang yata. So, we're gonna use the shade Temple. This one. This one. So, sobrang konti lang. And then, ilalagay ko siya dito sa baba ng eyes ko. Let's move on to the other side. Nakikita niyo yung difference? Medyo may depth na siya. Then, let's move on to another side. And then, i-connect ko yan dun sa eyelids ko. So, parang gagawin ko lang ng subtle eyeliner to. Yung half lang niya, para lang magkaroon ng life yung mata ko. So, yung mga excess na nakikita nyo under the eye, you can brush it off. We'll move on to our eyebrows. So, what I'm using right now is the Maybelline Define Blend Brow Pencil in the shade Natural Brown. So, ako, okay naman yung kilay ko. I don't usually put eyebrow dun lang sa point ng kilay ko. Kasi, kung makikita nyo, medyo kulang. So, dun lang tayo maglalagay ng eyebrow. Dito sa points ng And then the other side. Kasi hindi siya pointy. Kulang yung pagka-pointy niya. Kaya nilalagyan ko minsan. Okay na ako doon. Ibabrush ko lang siya para maging kasama siya ng hair ko. So, ibabrush ko lang din yung hindi ko nilagyan para sabay-sabay sila ng pupuntahan. And then the other side. Alright, so we're almost done. Oh, before we do the lips, let's put on some highlighter. So we're gonna use the same palette, which is the Feeling Sculptacular by Happy Skin. So they have a highlighter here. So konti lang. And then put it dito. Para medyo nagre-reflect ka sa sun kapag naaninagan ka. Also, I put a bit dito. Oops, sorry. Kasi nagkulay ako ng hair ng mom ko. So, madumi yung kuko ko. Hindi kasi ako nag-gloves. Bit here. I put a bit here. And also, a bit here. Sobrang konti lang. Kasi, magiging mukhang may makeup kapag nasobrahan mo dyan. So, pang-refresh lang. Medyo nagre-reflect. And then a bit here. Okay, so now moving on to the lips. I'm thinking of what we should use today for the no makeup lips. But I'll just put in konting lip tint, which is the Everbelena lip tint. Wala na siyang nakalagay, so I forgot the shade already. But favorite ko to, go-to lip tint ko to. So maglalagay lang ako ng konti in a Korean way. Okay. And then we'll mix it with the L'Oreal Natural Made For Me in color Velvet. Matagal na to sa akin. So yung shade dito very nude lang and very fresh. Sobrang rich nung lipstick na to. Makikita nyo. Last step would be setting it. So I'll use the same mist, which is the Lux Organic in Rose Water Glow Mist. So set mo lang yan.